Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the Unity error in Zenless Zone 0, and let's get started. So the first thing you guys can go ahead and do is open up the Hoyo Play. So basically from here what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and go to the top right where it says settings, click on that circle, then you're going to scroll down until you see check for updates, and you're going to check for the latest version. Now once you do that, make sure you don't have any updates. If you do, go ahead and update them. You can also enable allow silent updates, so you don't really have to do this, so it'll automatically update. And once you do this, the second thing you guys can go ahead and do is find either Zenless Zone 0 or Hoyo Play. It doesn't really matter what you do. Just choose one of these two and right click on them, go to properties, and then you're going to go ahead and go to the compatibility tab. Now from here what you're going to do is you're going to check two boxes. Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 or whatever the latest Windows is for you, and run this program as an administrator. Now once you do both of these things, you can go ahead and hit apply and then hit OK and go ahead and start the game back up. Now you will notice that the error code has gone and you are good to go. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.